I need that one pull to remind myself not to tab target, because it'll just tab to one of you guys, and you just get down to the fuck up. What's to Walt? Hearts after this. Your hearts. Knockline's coming out soon. Butts to wall. You hurts. Raid find safe.
The land heaves. Imminent collapse.
Stack up darkness. Butts to wall. 2 hearts. Raid find safe.
Yields to my command.
Can we move that mark out just a little bit?
Stack up an AM. No wall breaks here. Do not break a wall.
Yields to my command.
Stack up AMZ darkness. Stop down on boss. We got in the corner.
Earth yields to my command.
Push it. Knockline's go to the left.
Impudent mortals.
Watch your feet.
If death is what you seek, I shall grant it. Give in and attain power beyond your comprehension.
Corruption it out. Adds up. Stack on ad. Bomb soon. 2 hearts. Find safe. Watch your knockback lines. 2 hearts. Raid find safe. Alright, get by the gate.
Fall in shadow.
Ad's broken. Get near the ad. Bombs coming out. Do bombs. Raid find safe. Get close to the boss. Darkness. 2 and 3 go to next room. Go to next room. Watch your damage here.
The land heaves.
2 hearts. Stack on ad. Raid find safe.
The land
Stack up and
towering shade.
2 hearts.
Earth yields to my command.
Gotta roast people, please, so we can meet this damn chick. You're gonna have to do this heart set. Do this heart set. Just, it's gonna be the same exact one that you just did. Follow the pattern. Raid find safe.
Your pathetic
Nice. We beat it anyways.
is no longer amusing.
We have enough people up to really get late and practice this so we can get a kill. Stuck on the boss.
Come and feast, my pets.
Watch your knock lines. Make sure you're stacked on the boss. Lock stuns first, followed by Dalk. Dalk stun.
Flop exile.
Identify that your portal exists. Step in at the last second. Make sure you pop a personal. Step in. Stack up on the boss.
Hungering abyss opens.
Mo, go ahead and stun when you can. And you're out of rotation. Look around the room, guys. Make sure your portal's there.
5, 4, 3,
Pop a personal. Step in.
The hungering abyss
Stack up.
opens.
Hold stun, pot, whatever you need. This is Warlock stuns and Gnome. That's my stun.
I'll back in 3 casts.
Bark.
Identify your portal, guys.
4, 3,
Pop any personals you have remaining.
1.
Stack on the boss. As you try to get yourself up.
Fruitless attempt.
Pump the boss.
CC adds. Galadriel, you're next. 9 seconds.
A fruitless attempt.
You ignore pretty much everything. Just pump the boss.
Whatever CCs we got on nets, knock them back.
5,
Fuck the
Thank
cast.
God.
Pump the boss.
3, 2,
Let's go.
We don't even need 20 people.